It's a 2017 Audi A3 sedan. Get in and turn heads and corners equally well in this luxury compact. 2017 models are wrapped in a mild cosmetic refresh, and forward collision mitigation system is standard. And it comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, auxiliary audio input, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.